Hello everyone, welcome to Perseverance IAS. Hope your preparation is going well. Today is July 30, 2021. These are the following important articles to be read in Hindu newspaper. The first article is 21% for OBCs, 10% for EWS in national quota medical seats. So this is regarding the All India quota or All India quota for backward classes and OBCs. So please do read this article because this is different from reservation. This quota is different from this reservation. Try to understand the difference between reservation and quota, how different it is from the old practice and this practice. This is a possible GS paper 2 question and also a prelims question, and try to understand what AIQ is when it was introduced, who was the architect of this methodology or this system, and also in ethics point of view please do read what positive discrimination is. Try to understand what positive discrimination is and try to link up with this article. This will certainly help you in both ethics and general studies. Now moving on to the next article, Chola idols among 14 artworks to be written by Australia. What are Chola? So historically this is significant because it's a cultural perspective question. Please do read this from that point of view. Stolen artworks, stolen idols, what is the procedure for it? From that point of view please do read this article. I forgot to highlight it. Now moving on to page number 6, that is editorial. Today we have very good editorial in terms of GS and in terms of ethics also, particularly GS paper 2. The first one that you have to read is shared values. This is in regards to what India and US have in common. This is very important to read. This will certainly help you in understanding why India and America should always engage with each other on an equitable terms, and how fruitful it would be for the both India and US in the region and in the world. The next article that you have to read is The Wing of Pegasus, the epoch of cyber weapons. Again, this is regards to software, spyware, Pegasus. You have to read this to understand what the author is talking about here. It will certainly give you an understanding as to what is the right approach, what is the wrong approach, why Pegasus should be under the ambit of an judicial authority or some sort of oversight committee before it is being utilized. This will certainly help you, and it will also help you in understanding what are the disadvantages of having such softwares in open market for anybody to purchase. Now moving on to the most important article today, the long road to winning the battle against trafficking. The pandemic has exacerbated any and everything that is related to child molestation, child trafficking, human abuse, human rights abuse, whatnot. So this is so we are discussing this new bill in terms of anti-trafficking bill, and because of that this article gains a lot of importance. Please do read this article. This will give you a good understanding of how laws in India are actually detrimental to the case. Instead of helping them, they end up doing more damage than a positiveness, because it's not that we don't have laws, it is the laws that we have that are not getting implemented in a proper way. India has a systemic problem of implementing laws which are already enacted. Please do read this article. This will give you a beautiful anecdote as for your mains answer writing and an interview perspective. Now moving on to the next article, vaccinating them, again vaccination related. Please do read this and try to get 1 or 2 points out of it. Now moving on to OPED, are the Taliban returning to Kabul? This is informative, not important for anything, just for your understanding. Please do read it from that perspective. Now moving on to the next important article today, in the this is page number 7, OPED, to repeat again, in the interest of public. This is again GS related to an individual rights and ethics. Please do read this article. Individual liberty, individual right is what is being discussed in this article, and also fundamental rights again, and also ethics. Can a government force somebody to do something that they are not happy to do with? So a government cannot force, or can they force anybody to do anything according to their wish? From that perspective, this article becomes important. Please do read this article. Now moving on to page number 8, a convergence in US-India position on Afghanistan. This is in development to what India wants from in Afghanistan from US, and what US is looking forward from India in Afghanistan. This will certainly help you in understanding this. And moving on to next article, Kisteshwar Cloud Rescue Operation resumes to trace 19. Science perspective question. Understand what cloudburst is. What are the reasons behind a cloudburst? From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on, Mizoram says ready for lawsuit on border issue. Again, this is in development to Mizoram Assam border issue. Just to get a timeline of events, please do read this article. Now moving on to the next page, LS passes two bills without debate. Go to PSR legislative. Read everything about what the bills are talking about because possible prelims questions. Now moving on to page number 10, keys nasal vaccine data likely in 2 months. What are nasal vaccines? How different are they from conventional vaccines? From that perspective, please do read this article. Now moving on, engineering courses in 11 languages. What are the languages? How it is connected to national education policy? Please do read this from perspective. I forgot to highlight it. Now moving on to page number 11, that is world Iran nuclear talks can go on indefinitely. This is in regards to Iran nuclear talks from the P5+1, that is P6 countries. Please do read what Vulcan is saying about and how different Iran and American thought are, because at the end of the day, because of the sanctions imposed by America on Iran, India has a difficulty importing oil from Iran and it is having a direct impact on Chabahar port. Now moving on to the next article, Turkey quotes Biden with offer to protect Kabul airport. Informative, just read it, not important for any exam. Now moving on again to understand what is going on between US and China. China accuses US of meddling in its affair. Read that from that perspective. Now to a funny story. Pakistan is not the Taliban spokesperson. I found it to be funny because they are Taliban spokesperson. I think Taliban is doing less for themselves than what Pakistan is doing for them. So I found it funny, that's why I wanted you to read it. Now moving on to the next article, Armenia to seek Russian military development. This is in regards to map pointing. Please do read it from that perspective. Know where Armenia is, where the border, disputed border with Azerbaijan is, and from that perspective, map pointing. Please do read from that perspective. Now moving on to page number 12, business, high fiscal borrowing won't crowd out private sector, CEA, economic recovery, how borrowings have impact on overall economic or sector growth. From that perspective, please do read this article. Upturn V-shaped but small firms urban put hit harder. So this is again from CEA. Read what they are talking about. Read also why they are saying that urban poor are going to hit harder. What are the factors that affect an urban poor population? So in this article they talk about what are the factors that affect an urban poor population, why they are being affected. Because of the pandemic, everything has been multiplied into 1,000 times. Read this article from that perspective. Now moving on to the final article for today, rupees rises 3-week high on Fed stance. Please do read this article from the point of view of why US dollar and Fed, their Federal Reserve, have impact on Indian rupee. Try to find the relation, what are the factors as to why Indian rupee is getting affected by Federal Reserves or their stances. Relation between American foreign policy or American monetary policy and Indian rupee. From that perspective, please do read this article. These are the important articles to be read in the Hindu newspaper today. Thank you for the subscriptions. Please subscribe, follow, comment, share with your friends. Happy preparation, stay safe, namaste.